Sunil from Exterior Clean Melbourne. So we are working on a concrete rendered property today. You can see how bad this is. This is right in the inner suburbs of Melbourne. They've got, we'll be cleaning up all of this, but you can see here, if I just run my hand over it, it's beautifully smooth. It's a really beautiful render. It's absolutely stunning. As you can see, it's got a lot of mold issues that have developed. They probably let it go a bit too long. So I was going to show you the internal walls, but I'll just show you the externals here. So we'll be cleaning all of that up for this customer. We'll be using a slightly different method today. Same chemical mold and mildew treatments. You can see how bad this wall is as well. So we'll be cleaning all this up. It should look nice and sparkling by the end of our work. The problem with this property is access is really tricky, so you can see how bad that wall is. And then I'll just take you around here. So this is a little reserve, public reserve, and then you can you'll see, we'll just show you a few sections, but you can see how bad that gets there through all the where the balconies are, and yeah, so, and then there's a little bit more up there as well. So we'll just be washing this external aspects, the visible aspects, and we'll also be doing the courtyard walls on the inside, which I haven't shown you. So I'll show you the process, but basically it's a slightly different process we'll be using, where we'll be using water-fed poles to actually pump up the chemical to the surface, and then we'll be very lightly brushing it and see if we can get a result that way, because we don't want to be using pressure on the surface at all. So alright, we'll show you the results as we go. We'll also be cleaning here. I'll show you here. We'll just be cleaning out this entrance pavers for them, and we are also doing the garage entrance. So you can see here there's quite a bit of mold developing all along these walls, and all this black kind of black mold on the exposed aggregate here. So there we go, that's the job. Hello everyone, these are the results. Look at that, absolutely beautiful, beautiful, love it. So as I mentioned to you, this is a concrete render. It's a beautiful rendered finish. I absolutely love it. It looks magnificent. Just cleaned this up for them as well, and obviously we have also cleaned the driveway. I don't know if you remember all these walls, they were pretty grubby. See, at least all that corner's been cleaned, washed. All this entire wall, the whole of the top of the wall's been washed, including this side of it as well. Let me just show you around the corner here, as I think I mentioned to you already, that we did quite some large sections, and we used poles. I don't know if you we used long extension poles with chemical rinsing and brushing. All of this wall was cleaned. I think you remember how bad that was. And then this section of wall was absolutely terrible as well. Further walking down into the reserve, I'll show you here. It's been a 2-day job. It's just tricky access, this property, so you can see up here how well this has all come up. If I come into the bushes as well, you'll see how good this wall has come up. So, and the final section that we cleaned, so I think I showed you originally, was just round on that section over there. So if you've got a property that needs a clean, it's worth maintaining, get in touch. We'll be happy to give you a quote. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and certainly stay in touch. All the best.